Hello my angels, subscribe to my obsession and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss any update. Welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I'm here with this get ready with me for this Diwali, and this is what I'm going to wear, and this is the makeup look I have come up with. I hope you guys will surely enjoy this makeup look because this is very easy and very colorful smoky eye, and I am absolutely in love with this color right here. I have even done this look previously, but then today the way it turned out, I am extremely happy. And I hope you guys will surely enjoy this makeup look, and if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos in future, and even don't forget to hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. And even don't forget to follow me on my social media handles. Everything is in the description box. So yeah, without wasting much time, please let's get into this video. So just because I want a long-lasting base for my Kali Puja and Diwali night, I'm going with this MAC Fix Plus. And I'm going to spritz this all over my face, and I'm just going to cover my eyes. And I'm just going to wait and let this sit on my skin. And now for the foundation, I'll be going with my favorite old foundation, and this is the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the shade Warm Beige. And I'm going to apply this with a damp beauty sponge. And now for my concealer, I'm going with this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Light Pale. And I'll be going with this on the usual areas I normally highlight. And again, I'm going to blend this out with the same beauty sponge. And now to set the highlighted area, I'm going with this shade right here from Wet n Wild Contour Palette. And I'm going to dust this all over the areas I have highlighted and concealed. And now to contour my face, I'm going with the other shade from the same palette. So after contouring my face, I can say half of my base is done. Now I'm moving on to my eyebrows, and I'm just going to fill in my brows off the camera. So if you wish to check out my in-depth brow routine, you can check out this eye right here. You will reach that video. So I'm just going to fill in my brows and be back. So guys, I'm done filling in my brows. Now I'm moving on to my eyes. But before that, I'll be going with this Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. And I'm going to apply this underneath my eyes. So if there is any fallouts from my eyeshadow, this can catch. So first I'm going with this pink shade right here from Makeup Revolution Color Chaos palette. And I'm going to use this on my crease area. And this is going to be my transition shade. And I'll go with this on the back and forward motion and make sure that it's nicely blended. And then I'll be going with this orange shade from the same palette, and again I'll be going with this on the crease area as the previous shade, and I'm blending both the colors together. And now I'll be going with this purple shade from here, again from the same palette, and I'm going with this on the outer V, and even I'm going to drag this on the inner corners. And now I'll be going with this blue all over my lids. And then I'm again going with this purple shade, and I'll be going with this on the crease and blend it out in the back and forward motion, just to intensify the colors. I'm going with the same pink. And now from PAC Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, I'm going with this blue right here. And this is a very gorgeous shimmery blue, as you can see. And again, I'm going with this blue on the area I have placed the previous blue. So I'm done with my upper lids. Now I'm going to remove all the excess powder from my face. And now I'm going to tightline and waterline my eyes, and for that I'm going with this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. And now to smudge out my lower lash line, I'm again going with this blue from the same PAC Cosmetics matte eyeshadow palette in the number 2. So that's it for the eye makeup. I'm not going with any eyeliner today, but I'll be going with my mascara. And for the mascara, I'm going with this Maybelline the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. And I'll be going with this on the top and even on my bottom lashes. And now I'll be going with this Miss Claire Pearl eyeliner in the shade 16. And I'll be going with this on the inner corners of my eyes. So finally, I'm done with my eyes. Now I'll be moving on to my face again. And for the blusher, I'll be going with the mix of two. First, I'll be going with this Milani powder blush in the shade Romantic Rose. And then I'll be going with this Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush Bronze and Brighten Flesh palette. And then I'll be going with this on the apples of my cheeks with a smile. And now for the highlighter, I'm going with this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And I'll be going with this on the usual areas I normally highlight. So now I'm going to apply some lip balm, and that's the Baby Lip Balm. Just because I'm going for a liquid lipstick, I really need to prep my lips. I forgot this step, but we can still do it. Now for the lipstick, I'm going with the Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Suave Mauve. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this get ready with me for Diwali / Kali Puja actually. As you guys already know, I'm a Bengali. I stay in Kolkata and Kali Puja is celebrated in a huge manner in Kolkata. So this is what I'm going to wear for my Diwali and Kali Puja. I hope you all enjoyed this look. So please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. And yeah, wishing you all a very happy Diwali and Kali Puja in advance. So till then, take care, have a safe Diwali. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.
Please click on the images so you can watch my previous videos, and if you really want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links are given below, and even you can follow me on my blog page. And for subscribing to my channel, please click on the image, and thank you so much for watching. Please wait for the next one.